name is Camille and welcome back to Cooking with Cams. Today we will be making one of my favorite 4th of July treats. 4th of July is coming up, so I thought I'd show you one of my favorite 4th of July treats. It's called Star Spangled Banner Jigglers. So for this recipe you will need cherries, berry blue Jello, unflavored gelatin, cherry Jello, sweetened condensed milk. Make sure that you have the sweetened version, and coconut milk. I'll put the specific measurements down below. So what you're about to see me do now is make the blue Jello. So now I am making the white gelatin. I'm adding in the coconut milk and the condensed milk. I will have the specific measurements down below. I am going to add in the 2 cups of hot water and 2 cups of cold water. Now I'm going to pour that on top of the blue gelatin until I have a white layer. Make sure that your blue gelatin has firmed up. The white layer has firmed up and now I am adding the cherries on top. I've just now added my red gelatin into the hot water. So now I'm going to put it in the big bowl and add my 2 cups of cold water. And then I will stir and put it into the bowl. So my gelatin is fully stirred and it's ready to be poured into the container. Do this part slowly so your cherries do not get toppled over, or else they won't be evenly spaced out when you use the cookie cutter. It's normal to have some gelatin stick to the bottom of the bowl. Okay, I'm ready to show you the finished product. Ta-da! So this is the finished product of all of that tiring work. I think it looks beautiful, but in all honesty, I could have left it in the fridge for much longer to firm up, but it looks great. You can see the red, white, and blue patterns at the colors of the American flag. And I did the star shape so we could kind of imitate the Star Spangled Banner. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot, and I hope you had so much fun making it, and because I had so much fun cooking with you today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Haley?
Yeah.
This is so good.
Yes, Camille, so good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Bye!